Good morning, madam. I am Bhaskar Tejdatta from Computer Science of Engineering, Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. My subject name is Digital Logic and Computer Organization. My topic is Catchy Memories. Introduction to Catchy Memories. Catchy memories are small high-speed storage areas located between the CPU and the main memory. They are designed to speed up data access by storing frequently used data and instructions. The use of cache memory significantly reduces the time the CPU takes to read data from main memory. Go to next topic. Types of cache memories. There are three primary levels of cache memories: level 1, level 2, level 3. L1 is the cache smallest, fastest, located directly on the CPU chip. L3 cache is larger but slower, shared by among multiple CPU cores in multi-core processors. How cache memories work? Cache memories use principle known as temporal and spatial locality to store data. Temporal locality means that recently accessed data is likely to accessed again soon. Spatial locality indicates that data located close to recently accessed data is also likely to be accessed. Cache memory architecture. Cache memory architecture typically includes a cache controller, cache liner, and tags. Each cache line holds a block of data along with its addressing tag for quick retrieval. The cache controller manages the data flow between the cache and the main memory. Cache mistypes. They are the main types of cache misses: compulsory, capacity, and conflict miss. Compulsory miss occur on the first access to a data block and cannot be avoided. Capacity misses happen when the cache cannot hold all the data needed for a program. Cache replacement policies. Cache replacement policies determine which data to evict when the cache is full. Common policies include least recently used LRU, first in out, and random replacement. The choice of replacement policy can significantly affect affect cache performance and efficiency. Next topic: cache coherency in multi-core systems. Cache coherency refers to the consistency of data stored in local cache of a shared resources. In multi-core systems, maintaining cache coherency is crucial for data integrity. Protocols like modified exclusive shared invalid help manage cache coherency effectively. To next topic: benefits of cache memories. Cache memories enhance overall system performance by reducing latency in data access. They decreases the average time taken to access data from main memory. The implementation of cache memory can lead to significant power savings in computing devices. Challenges in cache memory design. One significant challenge is balancing cache size Speed and cost. Designers must optimize cache configurations to minimize miss rates while managing power consumption. Ensuring cache coherency in multi-core process add complexity to cache again. Future trends in cache memory. Memorizing to technologies such as 3D stacking are enhancing cache memory performance. Non-volatile memory technologies are being explored to create faster cache solutions. Research continues on smarter cache management techniques using machine learning algorithms. Thank you.